this is what Amazon looks like. So if you come here, you can see on the top here, you can see deals, you can see Amazon basics, you can see bestseller. So once we click on books, you're going to see a lot of books that are being sold here. All right, you can see. Now how this works is you come here, you upload your ebooks. Okay, you upload your ebooks. If you want to sell your ebooks in such a way that you want people to just read it on the platform without downloading it, you can do that. So you can do the setting. So all they need to do is to make payment, and then they can read your books on the platform. But if you want them to also to have a printed version of your book, you can also do that on this platform. What you're seeing now is different books that are sold on this platform. So if you want to do that, you are going to go to kdp.amazon.com. okay, you just click on that. Now you can see. So that Amazon is a wide market. Okay, let me explain that very well. It's a wide market where a lot of things are sold. So there is a book category. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So there's a book category that allows you to publish and sell your ebooks. Okay, so if you want to be selling ebooks on Amazon, what you need to do is to come to this one that says kdp.amazon.com. so it will take you straight to where you can create an account. Are you seeing now? Take you straight to where you can create an account. I think my network is very slow, so you can see once you come here, it's gonna ask you to create a KDP account. Are you seeing this now? Let me zoom it so you can see. Are you seeing now? It said what? Create a KDP account. Okay, so in this video I won't talk about how to create a KDP account. I won't talk about that. But if you want to learn how this works, go to the comment section, drop your comments, and also check the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link to how you can get an Amazon course that can help you to learn everything from scratch. Okay, how you can set up your account, how you can set up your account details, how you can position your book so that your book can rank higher in the midst of millions of books. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you do this on your own, you're going to struggle. That's the fact. Why? Because you're doing trial and error. You don't really know how to find your way. Okay, but you need someone to mentor you so you can do this correctly. All right, so if this is a business you want to go into full time and you want to be making money, you want to succeed in this business, you need someone to mentor you. Okay,